Good morning, sir. Myself, Praveen Kumar Majgi, 8th Sem Mechanical Engineering. I am here to give internship presentation. I have done my internship at RK Motors Bosch Service Hospital. This is the company profile of Bosch. Bosch is the one of the world leaders in the production of professional and household electrical products. It is part of structure of the eponymous company Robert Bosch, founded in 1886, and is the one of the 4 divisions. The headquarters of the company are in the Zerlingen or Germany. Introductions to tools and safety. Basic tools are spanner. A spanner is a tool used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects, usually rotary fasteners such as nuts and bolts, or keep them from turning. Second one, ratchet wrench. Ratchet wrench is a device consisting of bar or wheel with a set of angled teeth in which a cog or teeth engages, allowing motion in one direction only. Hammer. Hammer is a tool consisting of weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. This can be used to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, or to crush rock. Plier. Plier, hand operated tool for holding and gripping small articles, or for bending and cutting wire. Slip joint pliers have grooved jaws, and pivot hole in one member is elongated so that the member can pivot in either of 2 positions in order to grasp objects of different size in the most effective way. And the last one is screwdriver. Screwdriver is a tool, manual or powered, used to screwing and unscrewing screws. A typical simple screwdriver has handle and a shaft ending in the tip. The user puts into the screw head before turning the handle. The shaft is usually made of tough steel to resist bending or twisting. These are the safety measures. Never smoke in or near repair bays or garages. Keep work areas clean and organized. Never wear loose clothing or clothing that is ripped or torn. Always wear protective gloves as appropriate for the repair. Make sure fire extinguisher are easily acceptable and appropriate for all potential fire types. Always wear shoes while working. First aid kit should be always available in case of accident occurs. Always disconnect the battery when working on electrical systems and near around electrical wiring. Be aware of the vehicle's temperature before beginning any work. Never work underneath a vehicle unless it has been properly supported. Keep an emergency number handy and posted clearly where others can see it. Do not mix your space with other cluttering materials such as home storage, garden tools, and other materials. General maintenance, car service, and engine oil. fundamentally an essential routine service consumable, high grade and 100% synthetic oil as recommended by Bosch service and will ensure the longevity of your engine. Timely oil changes also result in smoother and more efficient drive experiences. Brakes, brakes, disc, brake disc and pads are worn and tear items. Prolonged enthusiastic drives are driving in the pads and disc tend to wear off, resulting the brake pad. It is prudent to trust your vehicle's stopping power only with genuine Bosch spare parts. Tires, the only contact patch between the road surface and your car is the tire. Tinkering and painting. Tinkering is performed to remove dents, scratches, chemical erosion, environmental erosion occurred on the exterior surface. This will improve the aesthetic appearances of the vehicle. Tools used for the tinkering: gas and arc welding unit, alloy steel sheets, new chassis subframe to be replaced, sheet metal cutter, spray painting gun, required matching to color, thinner, emery sheet, cleaning cloths. Painting on vehicle bodies is used for both surface protection from corrosion and for decoration purposes. Steps involved in painting are preparation, primer, base coat, clear coat, polishing. Car washing. Pay close attention to the information provided by the car wash operator before going through a car wash. Be sure to take the usual precautions to help prevent damage, such as closing the windows, folding back the outside mirrors, etc. Here come to conclusion. During my internship training, I learned about the basic tools required for servicing the cars and safety measures to be taken during working. I also learned about the produce of general service of a car and what all works are done for servicing a car, like engine oil changing, air filtering replacing, pollen filter replacing, brake pad replacing, coolant adding, oil filter replacing, fuel filter replacing, wiper checking, gearbox oil changing, shock absorber replacement if damaged, and tinkering, painting of cars which had accidents, and car washing procedure. Finally, I can conclude that the Bosch is multi-brand car service center with world's leading car service center. All the working is done with utmost care and with the utmost quality of Bosch. Thank you.